here with another house update video. I'm pretty sure the last one we did the entryway, right? I'm pretty sure the only other thing we've done is the entryway. We finally just got a dining room table, so we're gonna be putting that together. We got it from Amazon. It was actually really cheap, but hopefully it's good quality. I don't know. We read reviews and they said it was fine. We didn't want to spend a lot of money, and we've been looking for like a long time to get something that we like even liked or wanted, but hopefully this is kind of close to what we want to do. Yeah,
I've been here 6 months now without a table.
Yeah. 6 months?
Yeah, I've had it for 6 months now. It's been like, yeah,
8 months, like 10 months.
Yeah, wow, even longer.
You moved here in July.
No table.
It's almost been a year.
Been eating on my couch.
Yeah, my hair looks really bad. We're obviously in quarantine, so that's why I look like this right now.
Quarantine day 60.
Is it really?
Something like that.
So this is the entryway we did last time. I can see you in the back. This is the table that just got delivered. This is also a light fixture we got a long time ago from IKEA, and we never hung it up. So maybe we can get around to doing that. But yeah, that's the table. Everything else pretty much looks the same. He's working from home with quarantine, so his desk setup thing is right there. And TV stand. I don't know if we showed this in the last one. We actually might have gotten that since then, but everything else is coming together. We also have some light bulbs that we're gonna try and figure out for the kitchen. We got these. We're trying to tell if they're like too blue because they're like the daylight LED looking ones. Like that I feel like is too yellow. So we wanted to try and switch it out and see if like something like this is better. I don't know. I feel like we kind of like the in-between ones. We have like 3 different variations of light bulbs right now, and we've switched them out like 5 times. So we're gonna try and see like which ones we like best. But we need to open up that table because we've been waiting for it.
Let's get on it.
It actually came pretty quick. We bought it last Monday, I think. Today's
Sunday.
Was it Sunday?
Saturday or Sunday. Sunday, when they were over.
Yeah, I think we bought it Sunday. Either way, it took like less than a week to get here, so, and it wasn't prime, so it really didn't take that long. But we'll see how it looks. We have a little candle going. I say this in every video, but I freaking love the view. So pretty. We opened up all the blinds. The sun is probably gonna set soon, so we might end up like turning all the lights on and changing the light, but, oh, he's going for it. So he started opening it over here. So I was supposed to carry everything over there. So those are the legs. The only thing that was like weird about it is the legs. They kind of like go in, like you can kind of see. Let me hold it up. So yeah, it's gonna show instructions, I guess. They kind of go in on the sides. So like we're gonna have to figure out what chairs will fit there. We didn't buy any chairs yet because we wanted to get the table and see how it looks and see like what kind of chairs we can even fit there. Here it comes. Is it really heavy or no?
It's like 50 pounds.
We're gonna get another light fixture for there too. Probably something really modern. Most of our stuff is pretty modern. This is another look from this point of view. Oh jeez, did you just... He hit his head on the thing. Oh, look at all the ducks. I have to show them. He's always so excited. He's always like, come look, and there's ducks. Oh, look at the baby ones. Oh, it really is so pretty. I can't believe you just hit your head. I was just talking about it too.
On video?
I heard it, but I wasn't like looking at you. I don't know, I kind of like these lights now. They look really good on video. We have what's in here over there, like the really warm ones. We have them still. Then we have like an in-between, and then we have these. So, I don't know. I'm really torn. I don't want to like too cold, but I don't know. Okay, we're gonna open it and see. The finish is supposed to be like a faux concrete. Cause for a while we were gonna get like a wooden, rusticy, industrial kind of thing. And then he found like a gray wooden one, which I didn't really like. If it was gonna be gray, I wanted it to look like marble or concrete or something. We didn't really find any marble ones, but this is supposed to look like concrete. So we'll see. It's obviously not real concrete, but I just hope it doesn't look cheap. It's like a light gray. I was hoping it had a little bit more like taupe in it. Like if it had like some more of this color like in the table, it would be like a perfect shade, like a little bit tan. But it's pretty much gray, I'm pretty sure. Oh, I'm so excited. It's a big reveal. Wait, we should do it from this side so we can see the sun. I don't know, but some of the review pictures showed it was like pretty light and like a nice color, so I'm so excited. It's a good size. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Wait, okay, it's lighter than I thought. Yay. Oh, that's pretty.
Wow.
Wait, does it feel nice? We were worried about the finish.
That feels pretty cool.
Oh yeah, it feels like, it's definitely sturdy. We were scared it was gonna feel like, because we know it's like not real. So we thought it was just gonna be like a film kind of thing, like over Wood? What is it over, wood?
Yeah, that feels nice. Yeah, it's definitely wood, but carved.
Look, the edge has like this slab.
Oh. Yeah, they put like a resin over it to make it look like this.
Yay! And it was only $200. We didn't even say that. With iron legs, 200 bucks. That was our issue. What we wanted, we couldn't really find for like under like $1,000. They're usually like 700-ish. Which like we could have splurged and we like thought about it for a while just to get something like exactly what we wanted. But I really got on trend with the concrete thing. And concrete you have to get like really cheap or you're spending like 2,000 bucks. I like the concrete. I don't think it's a bad color, it's light. And in the sun, it has like more of the cream tan that I like.
Yeah. And
we can get like a tannish, creamish rug, maybe, and it'll bring in like some warmer shades. Do you think it's big enough? We're trying to have 6 chairs.
Yeah, I think that. I mean, the size is good. I'm just worried about the leg.
Yeah, we have to see it because that's what people were saying is that the legs. They were showing pictures of it with like 4, because we want to do 2 chairs on each side, so 4, and then 2 on the ends. So we're gonna see if that fits. I hope it does, because yeah, I don't know. It's not that wide though, is it?
It's wide enough.
Yeah, it's like just wide enough. Oh, I like it. I like how it has this edge like this. Yeah. And it's like on Amazon, they usually have the same products just from like different sellers. And there was another listing for basically the same table for like 300. I don't know, it was more. And we found this brand and we were like, might as well. You can get that one because it's cheaper. And it looks exactly like the pictures, so very happy so far. We're still wanting to change these cabinets. I mean, it's not that bad, but it doesn't match anything, obviously. We need something a lot less red, more muted brown or white, hopefully. It's like everything here looks so cool toned, and then it's like, do you like know what you're doing?
Of course.
You're looking at the thing. It's so cheap. You can tell by the paper. What, you need like a screwdriver?
No, it comes with a hex.
Oh, huh. Saying goodbye to my dance studio. My stage. This is like open wood, so I would always like dance here. And I just found my jazz shoes, so I've been like doing turns on the floor. But saying goodbye now. We got it up. We set it up with plates because it seems so small, but then like when you put the place settings on, it's like not that bad. The only thing, this is what we're talking about, like the legs, they go in so far, so it's like to put 2 chairs on the side, they're gonna have to sit like really close together. Yeah, we're gonna have to measure. He doesn't even own a chair for us to like figure it out, but there's so many little styrofoam pieces on the floor now. But I like it. We had to use dirty plates because we haven't run the dishwasher yet, but we wanted to see how it's gonna look, and it really doesn't look bad. Whoever sits on the end is gonna be perfectly fine.
Yeah, they're good to go.
These people might have a problem. But yeah, the finish looks really nice. You can kind of see in the light, you can see like kind of the filmy look, but it's really not that bad, especially when it's like straight on. I love the look of like this. If you just have your plate on like stone, it looks like fancy. Yeah, see, these lights are too yellow. I feel like we need to go like in between for these lights. Like the middle bulb, but see, even that gives it like a little more like a warmer feel. You just have to get used to it. It's weird seeing a table here.
I don't know, I'm so used to it without anything.
It makes the couch look so green. That couch came with this house basically because she had it here and he did a deal with her to keep the couch so he could have like a little bit of furniture. Because it's a great couch, like a good size, and it's not too bad of a color. It's just totally kind of green and not really gray. And now next to this, it looks even more green, but it's okay. The other thing too is this chandelier is like off center from the table. I mean, we could push the table back, but then it's like right next to the door and that just makes no sense. We have all this room towards the couch. So we're gonna, when we get a new light fixture, we're gonna have to do like one of those like gathering things where you like move it over. Oh, that's the one chair you have. Where did you get that from? Work?
Taylor made.
Oh. Wait, where did that come from? Was it in the garage?
Yeah, that's where we keep it.
That's enough room, right? Like, we're not even gonna get chairs this wide. This has an armrest and everything, and you could probably fit that there. We need to measure that to see like if it goes halfway or not, to see if you can fit like 2 of those. And if you can, then you're fine.
I just might have my whole legs on this, so.
What are your thoughts? You hate it.
No.
I mean, it obviously would fit better if we just did 4 chairs total, but we have a big family, so when they come over, I want to be able to accommodate. And we decided to not do bar stools because it would be right there next to the table. So we need to put the dirty plates away. Okay, we just measured it. And the whole table is 63 inches. He goes to about 33. So a little bit over half. But that's because this has an arm rest and everything. So we decided like the chair can't be any wider than that. What, about like 20 inches? I don't know how big a standard dining chair is usually. But at least we know so we can like kind of figure out what. This is so gross. Or nasty plates. Yeah, so no more than 20 inches. But I'm pretty sure that they're thinner than that anyways. Because we just want like flat back, white probably. Like thin, modern dining chairs. So they wouldn't be nearly this thick, I don't think. We need to see how high they should be too. Okay, we came to the conclusion that a dining room chair is about 18 inches tall. Which is about that. And he fits pretty good. And most of the dining chairs we're looking at are like 15 inches wide, which is perfect because we wanted it less than 20. Yeah, so it would only be this. That seems so small though.
Mm-hmm.
It's not? Someone's butt can fit on that?
We'll see.
Yeah, I don't know.
That's wider than my butt.
So we can fit 2 of these, right? Yeah, I think it's gonna be fine. We'll just order whatever we like, see if it works. Worst comes worst, we'll go back. I want to go and look at stuff in stores, but we can't. I like it though. I think it's a good finish for being so cheap. $200 Amazon table, and we love the iron legs. We wanted that no matter what. Even if we were gonna do wood, we like the iron legs. I'm gonna sit on it.
No.
Why?
No.
It should be able to hold a person. No. Watch this. It goes with the ottoman perfectly. Like the iron ties in and they're almost like the same color. That's just fabric, obviously. So look a lot better if your setup wasn't here, no offense. But it's not that bad. I'm not a huge fan of the pattern on this rug anymore.
Oh my god.
I don't know, it's too like Aztec-y.
No, it's not.
For a while.
I barely even noticed.
I know, it's not that bad. Like we don't have to change it. For the longest time I was going for like the Aztec like fringe stuff. Boho. Yeah, boho, that's the word. But I don't know if I really like it anymore. Like even this blanket, we have like 3 of these and I don't really like the fringe and the print, but we'll see. We have to clean all that up. We thought we couldn't find the cord part to the light, but it was in the closet. Got an extra mattress from my sister, even though I'll probably bring my bed for the guest bed, but bathroom still looks the same, pretty empty. This is the guest room, but not so much the guest room. So we got the chandelier down. We're gonna try and figure it out. What are we gonna do with that when we take it down? Do you like sell something like that? I feel bad, it's like nice quality, but I just don't like how it looks. We did what had to be done. We don't have a ladder, and he tried the office chair, but that was just way too wobbly, as you can probably assume. So we just brought the table over, and that's the thing, is it's so light, we were able to move it really easily.
My dad would always make us tell him that. He'd be like, you know why? He'd train us. He'd be like...
And would you respond?
At first I'd be like, why? How'd you do it? Why? He's like, because. I'm like, why? He would say, because I'm the man.
So is that what you are?
Yeah, I asked you why I was able to do that. Because I was the man. That's all you need to know.
Yeah, because we ran into a problem. The bracket wasn't fitting and then he fixed it. So I guess it's because he's the man. This light bulb is from the old chandelier. So we might as well just keep it, right? Keep it in there for now. We never turn this light on though, so it just bothers the crap out of me that it's not centered. When we hung that mirror and shelf, it's centered to the wall, but the light is not centered on the wall, if you see. And that's not his fault. That's just where the hole was in the ceiling. Ready? Woo! Oh, it's bright and nice too. Oh, I like it a lot. Even with that bulb, it looks fine. Wow, we love her. Good job.
You know why?
Because you're a man.
That's right.
Looks good. Wow, I like it even more than I thought. And it shows a cool pattern on the wall. Yeah, we've had this since last summer. Because I got it with the IKEA deal. I told it in my other vlog. It was one of the first updates we did. IKEA was having this glitch where you could buy $25 worth of stuff and get it for free. It was buy 25, get 25 off. And I found it on Twitter. It was this code. So that's when I bought like all the stuff for his house. I bought that table, the light, all like his decor. Basically, we got like all of that and one of these for free. We basically got this for free. It was amazing. I think he might have just paid shipping or something. I can't remember exactly what the deal was, but basically I got him a ton of stuff for like 130 bucks, including this, a bunch of towels, decor, side table, lamp, all that. I love it. Looks great. Good job.
Thanks.
So we did this last time. We didn't think about where this was gonna hit, so we were so close to having this not hit. Like, we planned it like that and everything, and then we ended up putting it exactly where it hits. And so just now I was like, oh my god, we didn't think about it hitting the thing. And it doesn't hit, but look at how close it goes. Ready? You literally, oh my gosh, it's literally that close. I mean, it's fine, like, as long as you, like, I feel like you can still, like, whip it open. It's not gonna hit it no matter what.
Catches some air, though.
But, wait, does it really? It's just so funny. I pulled, once we started talking about it, he got so worried, and then I pulled it out, and it was so close. Wait, you go do it so I can get it from back here. If it was, like, the tiniest bit lower, we'd be done. Okay, we're gonna switch out the lights now. What'd you just do that? What'd you just do?
I fell.
So we're gonna switch these out. I don't know, I'm so in between. I don't know, I feel like it's a little bit much. So we're gonna see what the middle ones look like. So like that looks absolutely terrible when I turn them off. I don't know, let's just see. Okay, I think I like these. It's like a good in between. Even though I don't really remember what the first ones look like. It's just not as bad as I thought, and it's not like too much of a contrast. Like when those were way too blue compared to like over here, and I know I didn't want to put the blue ones like everywhere. So I feel like this just kind of ties all the lights in. But again, it looks so much better on camera than it does like on my eyes. But I love the table, it's really dirty now, but we're gonna clean up because I think we're gonna go with those. So we have like 3 sets of light bulbs we have to return. But you gotta do what you gotta do. I mean, it's not that bad. It's really just the cabinets that makes everything look terrible, but that's a decent color. That's my thing, is I like always want to see the options because then it makes me feel better about picking this one because now I know that I don't like the other one. If I have any like doubt of like maybe liking something else, I have to try it to know that it's not correct. I don't think we're doing much more. That was it.
Yeah.
Our table, new light fixture, and fixing these lights. We're gonna set up the table, hopefully, with placemats and something in the middle. I need to look up ideas for like center, something to put in the center. I didn't really think about that. But yeah, thanks for watching our little house update. There'll still be more in the future. We wanna do the vanities in the bathrooms. That's gonna be the next thing probably. Eventually get a new bed and stuff. But yeah, we wanted to do the downstairs first because that's where everybody's gonna see, unless they go upstairs, but not many people do that.
Does anybody know a barber?
Yeah, he's getting a little bit overgrown in quarantine, but I kind of like it. And he keeps wearing a hat inside.
I need a barber in quarantine.
He keeps saying I'm gonna do it, but
no, but I might grow a mullet.
It's already kind of getting there. Look,
see, grow a mullet.
It like flips out on the bottom of your hand. So it was the end of our little house update, and you just start the washer. It's been done for a while. I think you just hit the on button. Yeah, he just turned on the washer, I think. But that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.
Bye.